Hi everybody, it's Rachel from Cherry and Top Crafts, and I'm going to walk you through my scrapbook layout that I did. So I'm using these Tim Holtz distress markers. There are a lot of ways to use them, but one of my favorites is to use them as a watercolor. So really all I did was scribble them on my glass media mat, did a little spritz of water, and then I'm using the Tim Holtz blending brush and just kind of swiping it on my paper here. I wasn't really going for a real blended look. I kind of wanted it here and there, kind of all over, not really sure what I wanted, but I just kept going at it until it started to look good and kind of sporadic. And really easy to do, watercolor background there. Okay, so here's the sketch that I used. If you're on our message board, we do these sketch challenges every week. So they're a lot of fun and gives you some inspiration, especially when you just get stuck and you're not sure what to do. So these are the 3 photos that I chose. They're from Creativation. Meeting Heidi Swapp and Tim Holtz was just amazing. They're 2 of my celebrity crushes, craft crushes, crafty celebs. And then in the middle there is Bob Ross. So at the Notions booth, they had a Bob Ross, like a big cardboard cutout. And when Jess and I saw it, we're like, oh, we have to get a picture of this. It's just a running joke between us, and I guess you have to be there to get it. So those are my 3 pictures that I chose. And I put the black cardstock behind them, made it stand out a little bit more. And here I'm just trimming some paper. Didn't really have a plan of what lengths I wanted them. I just kind of kept trimming them until they looked good. As you can see, I kind of don't really have any rhyme or reason to my method sometimes. I just like to be, I don't know, just kind of spontaneous and just let the creative juices flow. Okay, now I'm lining up my photos. On this little title, Crafty Celebs, I did that on my Cricut, which I'm a total Cricut newbie, so I was very proud of myself for doing that. And a cute little watercolor tag. Same method, squirt water, rub it on there, so easy to do. And then I took the distress marker and I was coloring one of the Kaiser Crafts wood flourishes. I think this one is from the Amazing collection, that's what it's called. And then added some Prima flowers. And then I decided this layout definitely needs a little bit of splatter. So I put a little bit more water on the glass media mat this time and just took a paintbrush and splattered it about. On the backs of these I used 3D foam adhesive because I kind of wanted them to stand out a little bit, to be a little bit more 3D. And just taking off the sticky or the non-sticky part. Watch me try to press it down and realize, oh, I didn't take off the backs yet. Oh, you guys, I'm not like a pro scrapbooker at all. I'm just kind of a here and there. I'm more of a painter. So as you can see, I put down my photos first, and then I realized, oh yeah, I need to add my other things in. So, yep, I just cut it. That works. And have the same problem with the tag. How do I get the tag in there? Can't lift that up. Oh, hope you guys get a laugh out of this. So there, cut my tag, stick it in. There we go. Same problem with my Crafty Celebs. Now, a little bit scared to cut it, but I wanted to stick it underneath my photo. So, cut it. There we go. I don't know what else I'm supposed to talk about in these kind of videos. Okay, so here's another little wood flourish. It's a heart. I kind of use that for like the paperclip decal thing that was on the sketch. And gluing down everything. I use the same glue, that Nuvo glue. Works great, dries great, works great for the wood pieces. Then here's a stamp. I decided to color that with a distress marker. Stamp that down. And then I didn't really love how it turned out. I probably didn't put enough marker on it, so then I just kind of colored it in. I wanted to stick out a little bit more. I really love this marker shade. Peacock Feathers, I think that is. Oh yeah, there's my splatter action. Slowed it down for you. And a little bit of Nuvo to finish it off. And there we have it. There is my scrapbook layout. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed it.